Most developers today are watching the industry change faster than ever before. Automation tools are writing code, AI models are generating websites in minutes, and thousands of new developers are entering the same fields every single day. Web development has become overcrowded, competition has intensified, and the challenge is no longer just standing out against people, but against artificial intelligence itself. In this environment, only certain technical skills continue to grow in value because they rely on real-world systems, responsibility, and human decision-making that AI cannot replace. These skills pay the highest salaries because industries cannot function without skilled humans behind them. So, these are the top 5 highest-paying tech skills that won't be replaced by AI. The 5th highest-paying and AI-resistant tech skill is cloud engineering combined with DevOps and security. Every modern application, platform, and digital service runs on cloud infrastructure. Cloud engineers design scalable systems that must handle millions of users, secure sensitive data, and recover instantly from failures. AI tools can assist with automation, but they cannot take ownership of system reliability, cost optimization, or security architecture. Cloud failures directly impact revenue, reputation, and legal compliance, which makes human oversight mandatory. DevOps engineers manage deployment pipelines, system monitoring, and reliability engineering, while cloud security engineers protect infrastructure from breaches. These roles remain future-proof because cloud usage continues to grow across all industries. Average salaries range from $110,000 to $160,000 per year globally, with senior cloud security and SRE roles exceeding $180,000 annually. The 4th skill on the list is Industrial Internet of Things. IIoT connects physical machines, sensors, production lines, and infrastructure to digital systems that monitor performance and automate decision-making. These systems operate in factories, power plants, oil refineries, logistics networks, and smart cities. AI can process sensor data, but it cannot install hardware, integrate industrial protocols, or adapt systems to unique physical environments. Every industrial setup differs in scale, safety standards, and operational constraints. Human engineers design, deploy, and maintain these systems while ensuring compliance with strict safety regulations. IIoT roles remain future-proof because industrial automation is expanding globally. Salaries typically range from $100,000 to $150,000 per year, with senior IIoT architects and industrial automation engineers earning significantly higher. The 3rd highest paying and AI-resistant skill is advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning engineering. While basic AI tasks are becoming automated, advanced AI engineering focuses on system design, model optimization, scalability, and reliability. These engineers build AI systems that must function accurately in real-world conditions such as healthcare diagnostics, financial risk analysis, autonomous systems, and large-scale platforms. AI cannot independently design its own infrastructure, manage ethical constraints, or handle failures in critical applications. Human engineers remain responsible for performance, safety, and accountability. This field continues to grow as AI adoption increases across industries. Salaries for advanced AI and ML engineers range from $130,000 to $200,000 per year, with top-tier roles exceeding $250,000 annually in global markets. The 2nd skill is robotics and autonomous systems engineering. Robotics operates in the physical world, where systems interact with humans, machinery, and environments that change unpredictably. Autonomous systems must meet strict safety and reliability standards, especially in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, defense, and transportation. AI algorithms support perception and decision-making, but humans design control systems, integrate hardware, and ensure operational safety. Physical systems introduce risks that require human accountability, testing, and certification. Robotics engineering remains future-proof due to increasing automation across industries and the growing use of autonomous machines. Salaries typically range from $120,000 to $180,000 per year, with experienced engineers earning more in specialized domains. The highest paying and most AI-resistant tech skill is cybersecurity. As technology advances, cyber threats grow more complex and frequent. AI increases both the speed of attacks and the need for intelligent defense strategies. Cybersecurity professionals protect networks, applications, cloud infrastructure, and critical systems from breaches, data theft, and sabotage. AI tools assist in detection, but humans make strategic decisions, respond to incidents, and design secure architectures. Legal accountability and ethical responsibility make human involvement essential in cybersecurity. Governments, corporations, and financial institutions depend on skilled security experts to protect digital assets. Cybersecurity remains one of the fastest growing and most future-proof careers. Salaries range from $120,000 to $170,000 per year, with senior security architects, penetration testers, and CISOs earning $200,000 or more annually. These 5 tech skills remain highly valuable because they combine technical expertise with real-world responsibility. AI enhances productivity in these fields, but it does not replace the need for human judgment, accountability, and system-level decision-making. I will be creating proper roadmap video for each of the above career and how you can learn these skills efficiently and quickly, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on it. Until next time.